Welcome back to Auto Garage, the place where horsepower meets passion. If you love cars that roar with power and captivate with style, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on the latest in the world of automobiles. Now, let's dive into something truly special, the 2026 Ford Mustang Boss 429. The legacy of the Boss 429 is something that echoes through the halls of automotive history. First introduced in 1969 as a homologation special for NASCAR, it wasn't just a muscle car, it was a statement. Now, Ford has brought back this icon for 2026, and it's better, meaner, and more powerful than ever before. At the heart of the new Boss 429 lies a monstrous 7.0-liter V8 engine, paying homage to its roots while embracing modern technology. With advanced fuel injection, lightweight components, and a refined exhaust system, this beast pumps out a staggering 780 horsepower and 690 pound-feet of torque. That kind of power propels the Boss 429 from 0 to 60 in just 3.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest Mustangs ever produced. Ford didn't just stop at raw power. The 2026 Boss 429 is equipped with a state-of-the-art suspension system, enhanced aerodynamics, and Brembo carbon ceramic brakes, ensuring that it not only goes fast but handles like a dream. Whether you're tearing up the track or cruising down the highway, this Mustang grips the road with confidence and precision. The exterior design is a perfect blend of classic muscle and modern aggression. The signature hood scoop is back, larger and more functional than ever, feeding cold air straight into that powerhouse engine. Wide fender flares, aggressive front splitters, and a sculpted rear spoiler all contribute to its unmistakable look. Every line, every curve, is engineered not just for aesthetics but for performance. And when you hear that engine rumble to life, there's no mistaking it for anything else. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cockpit that's as driver-focused as it gets. Premium leather seats with bold stitching, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and retro-inspired gauges bring you back to the golden era of muscle cars. But this is still a 2026 Mustang, so you get all the tech you could want: an advanced infotainment system, customizable digital displays, and seamless smartphone integration. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. With adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision detection, the Boss 429 proves that raw power and smart tech can coexist. Ford has truly created a machine that respects its past while embracing the future. The 2026 Ford Mustang Boss 429 isn't just a car, it's a legacy reborn. A tribute to American muscle with the refinement and technology of modern engineering. It's everything enthusiasts dreamed it would be, and then some. Thanks for tuning into Auto Garage. If you love what you saw, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of high-performance machines. Leave a comment below and let us know, would you take the Boss 429 to the track or keep it as a garage queen? Until next time, keep the wheels turning and the adrenaline pumping.